Staffing Synergies provides contingent labor to warehouses, light industrial complexes, and distribution centers. Our clients are focused in pharma, food and beverage, and healthcare.
Staffing Synergies has a portfolio of companies, the first being a staffing organization, and we staff 3,500 employees throughout the United States. The other parts of our business has to do with fulfillment, and that's what we do here in this plant, where we actually co-pack and package for Fortune 500 customers.
The biggest challenge facing the co-packing industry are twofold. One, making certain that we have the right labor to meet the dynamic demands of our clients, and also meeting the dynamic demands that our clients have of us and how we are a critical part of their supply chain.
Before Nulogy, we had some legacy systems that were really good at making manufacturing companies go. What we realized real quickly was that we needed something a little bit more robust for the fact that we're doing fulfillment and co-packaging, where basically we're combining different components into finished goods. Nulogy was the system that pulled everything together and made it happen a lot more efficiently. And we measured productivity and gains of almost 30%. The other thing that we've had is a lot more accuracy in terms of what we measure and how we measure, giving it back to our customers.
Nulogy is, in my personal opinion, the only horse in the race. It gives you not just the real-time information and data, but you can actually also get the information of what your inventory was in the historical view as well.
Nulogy helps us better serve our customers because it provides a platform that is the foundation of everything that we do here. From initially getting in product from a receiving standpoint, from inventory, and where everything is moved within our warehouses. It also then tracks and gives us transparency into the different components that we have. It gives us transparency in our production and makes us a better supplier to the companies that we work with.
Customers have to trust the co-packer because they have millions of dollars worth of their product in the co-packer's facility. Trust is a major element that you have between the two companies in order to be able to collaborate together.
The role that software plays in our world is essential. We could have never grown from a 40,000 square foot facility to a 200,000 square foot facility without Nulogy. Our future growth and the future of the 700 people that work in this facility is all based on our work with Nulogy. And with Nulogy, our future looks bright.